Hello everyone, this is Ed Kiefer again bringing you another Luxe highlight. What we're doing here is we're installing hinges and the door pulls for the beachfront interior of our luxury fifth wheel. So we got a really nice jig set up. These are actually maple hardwood doors. We use maple hardwood throughout our whole unit. So hey, give us a call at 844-284-6678 or get us on the web at luxefifthwheel.com, and you have an excellent day.